Experiencing problems with your Spectrum TV app on your TV? Let's tackle sign-in and update issues. First, for sign-in problems, ensure your username and password are correct. A common fix is to clear the app's cache and data via your TV's settings, usually under Apps, Spectrum TV, Clear Data. Also, verify your account status on spectrum.net. If you've forgotten your password, reset it. Biometric authentication, introduced in the May 2025 update, can streamline logins. For update problems, make sure automatic updates are enabled. Manually check for updates in your TV's app store. Ensure you have at least 1 GB of free storage and restart your TV after updating. Update during off-peak hours to avoid server overload. Keeping your app up to date is crucial for compatibility and bug fixes. Remember to restart the app and TV after each troubleshooting step to ensure changes take effect. Network connectivity problems can disrupt your Spectrum TV app experience. A stable internet connection is essential, with a minimum of 25 Mbps recommended for HD streaming. Start by testing your internet speed to ensure it meets the requirements. Visit spectrum.net/speedtest for an official test. Disable any VPNs you may be using, as they can interfere with Spectrum's geo-locked content and cause connectivity issues. Reset your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This can resolve many network issues. For a more stable connection, consider switching from Wi-Fi to Ethernet. Ethernet typically offers faster and more reliable speeds. Use the Spectrum app's built-in network diagnostic tool found under Help, Troubleshoot to identify issues like latency or packet loss. If Wi-Fi is causing problems, enable Spectrum's Wi-Fi Boost feature if available to prioritize streaming traffic. After troubleshooting, restart both your TV and the Spectrum app to apply any changes and check if the problem is resolved. If issues persist, contact Spectrum support through the app's chat feature for further assistance.